Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Telegram group chats tidy and up to date, knowing how to unpin a message is essential. Whether you're a group admin or just someone who wants to remove an old announcement, today's guide will walk you through the updated steps to unpin a message in a Telegram group. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device and navigate to the group or channel where you see the pinned message at the top of the chat. The pinned message is always displayed prominently, so you can't miss it. Once you're in the group, tap directly on the pinned message at the top of the screen. This action will bring the message into focus and display it within the chat window, making it easier to interact with. Now single tap on the message itself. This will open up a small menu or options bar, depending on your device. Here, you'll see several choices for managing the message. From the menu that appears, select the option labeled Unpin. A confirmation prompt may pop up, asking if you're sure you want to unpin the message for everyone. Go ahead and confirm your choice. That's it. The message is now unpinned from the group chat. It will no longer appear at the top, helping you keep your group organized and focused on the latest conversations. If you ever need to pin a new message, just repeat the process in reverse by selecting the message you want to highlight and choosing the pin option. Keeping your group chat organized is easy when you know these simple steps. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might need a quick refresher on managing Telegram groups. Thanks for tuning in, and happy chatting.